Hey there campers, Mike Sampson of SunLite Adventures, and today I'm super excited to be bringing you a brand new floor plan by SunLite Park. Now, they're going to be adding to the SunLite line, and today I'm going to be talking about the 15 MBX. That's right, we're going to have an awesome 15-footer trailer. Could be this guy right here behind me. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, campers, as you can see here, we're outside the brand new 2025 SunLite Sport 15 MBX. This is going to be the brand new floor plan by SunLite Park RV, and I'm super excited because this takes a 15-foot trailer and makes it so you can sleep 6 without sacrificing anything on the inside like a bathroom or a kitchen. So we're going to walk around the outside real quick. Packed in a little tight, so we'll take a couple detours in the process, but you can see that tent tip out there. You'll be able to sleep 2 in that. You're going to have your outside shower. Gray and black water tank is going to be combined. 30 amp hookup. Come along the back side here, you're going to see you'll have the full-size spare, and that's on the Sports up top. You're going to see the camera prep. Still have storage in the bumper. It's also prepped with that Lippert ladder connector there too, so you can bring the ladder along to be able to get up on that walkable roof to check out on your solar panels and things like that. On the front side here, we're going to come in. You're going to see a large pass-through storage. Water heater, some 110 outlets. Like I said, on the sports package, you can see those super aggressive tires. Definitely got some great treads on them. Higher rate, so went out camping and driving on the highway travel, and you can get a little bit better speed rating on them. As we go inside, you're going to see right across the door we're going to have a Jiffy sofa that'll pull out to be able to sleep someone. You do have a cabinet door for storage access. Right along here will be your breakfast bar that'll collapse down when not in use, so you're not blocking your door. And there you have that tent tip out, which will allow you to sleep 2 in there, 2 little ones on this sofa. Right there you'll have your thermostat, solar control, and all your other normal controls you got. Your main bed in there. You'll have a wet bath. And if you don't know what a wet bath is, it's just your shower and toilet combined. In my opinion, it makes it easier to clean when putting away for storage. Across from your tent tip out and Jiffy sofa, you're going to have that large kitchen sink, 2-burner stove, tons of storage underneath, fan and microwave, nice large size 12-volt refrigerator. You have rooftop AC on this one, and a fan as well. Above the bed storage, there's another window with your exit window. A wardrobe there. And I'll take a step back, and there you have it, guys. This is going to be a brand new floor plan, like I said, by SunLite Park. Complete details we'll have on our website at cortlandrv.com. That's Cortland with a C, C-O-R-T-L-A-N-D, RV.com. I'm Mike Sampson of SunLite Adventures, and I'll see you in the next one.